Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Hot Mess Yota here today, and I have something to show you. If you want to see what I have, stick around. I'm sorry about my appearance, but I've been painting all day. I am painting for another gallery. I am currently painting a underwater series, and I'm going to make prints, you guys, so I'm super excited. It's going to be a series of very colorful oil paintings, and I'm going to have prints, and I'm going to offer them if anybody's interested. But I have a few weeks of work ahead of me. I've been working really hard. I'm trying to get my art business booming. I have gained about probably 6 or 7 new students, starting another class. You guys, I don't just sit around eating bonbons, okay? Just because I don't have a 9-to-5 job and I don't get up in the morning and have to go to work. I do have to get up in the morning and go to work for myself. The more I work, the more money I make, and the more handbags I can buy. So today I have something to share with you. It's not a true unboxing because I couldn't help myself. And I have a story to tell. So stick around if you want to see what I've been up to. Yes, late night shenanigans. Oh yeah, again. It happened again. So I am a night owl. And I've always been a night owl. And a lot of times Keith will go on to bed and I stay up. Now, for the longest, that is when I would do most of my damage, my shopping damage. But I've tried to break that habit, you guys. But the other night, I fell short. Yes, I did. I found myself browsing. Keith was asleep. The house was quiet. What was I to do? Okay. What was I to do? I accidentally bought something. It was an accidental purchase, okay? Now, it's gonna go back because it's really cool. I like it, but I don't think it's worth the price. But anyway, you guys, it was an accidental purchase because immediately after I got it, I tried to cancel it and I couldn't. So I have about 3 weeks to send it back, but I thought, what the heck? Somebody might be interested in it. I might as well show it. And yeah, so it's in this box that I already opened up, and it's a brand, something I've never had before. Now, I'm going to exchange it for something that I had in mind, but I don't know, you guys, what came over me. I just thought it was super cute and cool. And look at this cool bag. Does this not remind you of the Louis Vuitton, you know, the clouds and stuff? But you guys, it's MZ Wallace. MZ Wallace. Now, it's a brand that I first heard of it from Eva of Fuchsia Floyd. And when Dawn and I, when I was in Philly the last time, we looked at MZ Wallace. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand I've been interested in. And like I said, I was like half awake, half asleep, a little loopy, you know, and I was watching some videos and I came across a video on this bag, and I really liked it. And you guys, I just went and ordered it. And then I thought, what have I done? That is not the one I intended to buy. There is something from MZ Wallace that I really want, that I actually need, and I'm going to swap it out. But since I have it, hey, I might as well show it to you guys. You guys, I'm not just saying that to be funny. It really was an accidental purchase. So I have a really hard time sleeping, and sometimes I have to take a gummy to help me sleep. And I really think I was loopy because I don't know what came over me. I really don't. But anyway, it's a really cool dust bag. Really cool, very good quality. This kind, I like the kind that does this. Bam. Okay. Now, all right. It is the MZ Wallace bum bag. Do I need it? No. Is it cool? Yes. Now, look at it, you guys. It's really big. It's kind of a weatherproof nylon with the cool zippers. And then it has like 3 different straps that go with it. And the zippers, I mean, they have a lot of room. I mean, there's a lot of room. Now, there's no zipper on the back, okay? Which is a bit of a bummer because I really like that with my other bum bags that I have. But this is so nice and roomy that, you know, any size phone would go in it. This is just an 11 Pro, but you see it fits in there just fine. But if I had one of the really big phones, it would fit in there too. I mean, there's a lot of space, and there's a lot of space back here kind of off to the side. So yes, your phone would definitely fit in there. The zippers are really nice. This is a great brand, you guys, and I would love to keep it, but it was $2.95, okay? So over 300. I fell off that glass thing again. When am I ever gonna fix it? Never. Okay, so it's a really nice bag, but I don't think it's worth $300, especially when I need other things. Like I sold, no, I didn't sell it. I gave it away. I had a backpack that I like to use when I travel, so I need to replace it. And I'm gonna replace it with an MZ Wallace. I think the convertible backpack is what I've been looking at. Since it's $300, it's gonna go back. If it were like $150, I would probably keep it, but I'm not gonna keep it because it's definitely quite pricey, but it's so cute. All right, so it's all stuffed. I'm gonna take the stuffing out and I'll put everything back in. Look at the inside of it. It has vachetta leather on the inside. MZ Wallace of New York. Bam. So it has one, I think it's 3 straps. It's kind of lined on the inside. There's the silica pack. It's just very lightweight, you guys. It would be a great bum bag if you needed one, but I don't need one. Now look at this strap. This is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it because I thought this looked so cute on it. I mean, I wanna keep it, but it's $300. I don't know. I'm 99.9% sure I'm sending it back because I need that backpack. All right, let's just put it on there and show you. Now, this, you can use it like that and use it as a shoulder bag, but they really show it on the website, just kind of dangling down like that. Is that not a cool vibe, you guys? I think that's so cute. And that's the way they show it on the website. So I don't know, it just really got to me. Now it has one of these straps, and I don't mind this at all. This is really cute. It's one of those straps that they're using on all the bags now. I don't like them on fancy bags, but something like this would be great, and it looks like it would be very comfortable and adjustable. So that's cool. And then, what is in here? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna undo it. I can wrap it back up and tape it back up. So, oh, okay. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so also you can wear it as a belt bag. So that's what this is for. So it has 3 straps. Ah, that would be cute. Should I keep it? I don't know. Should I? I mean, it's not leather. It's not leather, okay? But it would be cute because I do like a bum bag as a bum bag, you guys. I'm a child of the 80s, and I dig it, and I love black and silver, and it's really, really cute. So it looks like it would fit just about any size because there's a lot of leeway there, but it was an accidental purchase, and I should send it back. Should I send it back? Oh my gosh. Okay. It's not leather. I do have, okay, so what I have in my collection, I have a black Louis Vuitton Empreinte leather bum bag, and it's kind of small. Then I have the monogram one, and then I also have another, what was that brand? One that I got from QVC, and it's leather, and I've had it forever, and I feel like I don't need another one, but this one's so cute. This one's a really good size. I think it'd be great, and it's so versatile. That was my accidental purchase, and I like it. But you guys, it's pretty pricey. Let me see if I can get the price sheet. Yes. No. I know it was $2.95. This just tells about sending it back. So I've had a few days. So I have about 21 days to send it back. But anyway, I'll stand up a bit, you guys. So see how big it is on my body? And then if you wanted to wear it like this, how cute. It's just so cute. You guys, don't mind me what I'm wearing. I wear all these old t-shirts when I'm painting, but it's super, super cute. And like I said, you can wear it so many different ways. You can wear it with this just dangling. You can put this on your shoulder. Any way you look at it. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna keep it. I don't need it. Oh, okay. Help, you guys. If I ever needed your help, this would be it. So just take a really good look at it. And it's just made of, what is it made of? Just like the slicky, almost like a raincoat type material. See? I mean, it would be so weatherproof. It would be great for ball games. And it's so cute with the black. That's totally my vibe. Black and silver. I'm trying to talk myself into it, so I need you guys to talk me out of it. I mean, it won't break the bank if I keep it. But I like it. But I'm leaning on sending it back. So anyway, what do you guys think? Just let me know what you think. But it's super cute. And since I did have it here, I did want to share it with you guys. MZ Wallace is a great brand. Like I said, Dawn and I checked it out when we were shopping up in Philly. And yeah, so I think it'd be a great, they have backpacks, duffel bags, all kinds of things like that. And what I'm really needing is a new backpack. Okay, that was my accidental purchase, you guys. That's what happens, you guys. And I'm trying to break my browsing habit. And I haven't really been doing it until the other night. I don't know. I think the devil just whispered in my ear and I did it. I don't know what it was. I have no clue what happened, but anyway, I have all right, I need to edit all this out. Okay, so that's really all I had for you guys because I've been painting. I've been working all day, but I thought I need to go upstairs and film this and show them and then really make up my mind over the weekend. And that way I'll upload this and you guys, you know, I'm going to really listen to what you guys say because like I said, it's kind of pricey, but it's super, super cute. I think I am going to package it up, you guys. Yes. I'm not going to be swayed. I'm not today, devil. Not today. Okay? I ordered it. Okay. I'm going to package it up and send it back because I do need a new backpack. And you guys, I was going to share with you. So I'm wanting to get a few more vintage Louis Vuitton pieces and Chanel pieces. And I found this beautiful, beautiful vintage Louis Vuitton round barrel type bag. What's it called? A papillion or something. And they have the newer version out now like Cami has them. I love it. But you guys, I just don't want to spend that kind of money. So I found one that is under $600 and it is fabulous and would be half that price. So, okay. I think I need to send it back. Maybe I should try to go to bed on time and this type of thing won't happen. I usually don't do this because usually when I order something, anyway, forget it, okay? But I did want to show it to you guys, so it's awesome and the quality's nice. All right, guys, so that's really all I have to share with you today. It's weekend. I'm thinking about doing a bit of a vlog this weekend. I do have a review coming up. And also a reveal coming up of a beautiful bag that SheBag has sent me. They have been gracious enough to send me another bag. And I know a lot of people really are against replicas, but you guys, I've never really been all that against them. I'm like, whatever you want to carry. If you want to carry a $10,000 Birkin or a trash bag, do your thing, okay? I don't care what other people do. And, you know, I just don't want to hear all this about child labor, 5-year-olds sewing together fake Birkins, okay? I don't want to hear it. They have sent me another bag and it's really pretty and I plan on sharing that with you guys because, you guys, like I said before, what is more criminal? The prices that bags are now, I mean, I can still afford to buy a luxury bag, yes, but not like I once did, because it's crazy and it is criminal. And if you can get the look for less, I don't see what's wrong with it, okay? If you highly disagree with me, I can't help it. I hate it for you. I'm just being honest, okay? And I have talked about adding a little segment onto my video, Yota Talks, because I have a lot to say. Can you believe that? And I may do that. I'm going to try to have a bit of a filter or not. Who knows? But when my very first series, I'm going to have to talk about Harry, okay? I can't deal with this. I don't give a flying you know what about Meghan Markle, because she's nobody to me. But Harry, come on, Harry, you're a prince. Anybody can be an average person. That's going to be my first subject that I'm going to tackle, and that's going to be next week. So you're going to want to tune in. So I will be vlogging this weekend. There's nothing big going on. I do have the first baby shower to go to that is for my son's girlfriend. And so that's Sunday. I'm going to be doing a bit of baby shopping this weekend, and yeah, and vlogging. So that's all I have for you today. I'm going to put this video up early, and anyway, let me know what you think about the MZ Wallace bag. I'm pretty sure it's going back now. Okay, so anyway, before I keep saying anyway and thinking of other things to say, I'm going to let you go because I have to go paint. And I will show you guys some of my painting. And yeah, it's going to be really cool. An underwater series. And I'm so, so excited. It's kind of different from what I normally paint, and it's very colorful. So anyway, you guys, have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Peace.